President Daniel Arap Moi, that they killed Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. I also want to say, without fear of contradiction, the death of Raila Amolo Odinga, which is still a mystery to a lot of us, those bear responsibility of the death of Raila Amolo Odinga are out there, and they are silent about it. But I hope that one day we will determine the circumstances in which Raila Amolo Odinga passed away. And that must be an objective that we must achieve. And in telling Moi that they killed Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, I also said that the spirit of Jaramogi will live on. And today I can say the spirit of Raila Amolo Odinga lives on. Thank you very much.